say good morning because it is not the morning. It is late afternoon and I am just picking up the camera for the first time today. I have been busy cleaning. You guys know I wanted to get the house deep clean today, so I was able to do that. My floors are all mopped, my carpets are all clean. It feels amazing. So I've been cleaning a lot. Cody just got home from work. We're kind of hanging out as a family, and we are actually headed to a neighborhood summer party, and we are super excited about it. Someone has emerged from his slumber.
Passed right out.
How was your nap?
Nice.
Yeah? I slept too. Good. A good little afternoon nap.
Yeah.
This kid had a long nap today, huh?
Yeah, before Dad got and then I fell asleep on Dad.
Yeah? Are you rocking your new outfit? Looks so good. What? We're going to our neighborhood party. You want to? You got your phone and your baby? Oh, good. To the party. Cody, you ready? And let's see your outfits, cute boys. Tiny Bean? Oh yeah, oh yeah. So handsome. Carsey boy? Fully charged? Dead battery. You guys are funny. Okay, let's go. Although the weather kind of looks like it's being a jerk. It's like cloudy, windy, rainy, and it's an outdoor party. The heck, babe?
It's a summer party.
Utah.
Goodness gracious. I had to drop Cody and the 4 older kids off and run back home to get coats for everyone. It is cold, you guys. It's such a bummer because this is such a big, fun, planned summer activity, and it's all outdoors. So I feel kind of bad that it's so cold. I gotta take everyone's coats to them, get Cody out, and hopefully we don't get rained on. So, you gotta find a dress, like a mom dress. I'm gonna announce it on Sunday, but it's gonna be like a
It's windy. It's cold.
It's so windy.
That's mine. Don't eat my food. You can go grab one if you want, though. Jump in this one, guys. Whoa! Okay, come on up. Alright, gotta take shelter from the wind. Whew! So this is supposed to be like a Hawaiian luau type theme here, but it's being kind of blown away. But it is cold, but we're still having a fun time. What do you got? You got one too?
Perfect weather.
Woo! Popsicles. All right, we're peacing out. The weather's got a little bit better, but kiddos are freezing. Kenzie went home, got jackets, and forgot one for herself. Hopefully you can hear me with this wind, but super fun. Nice to be around the neighborhood people, get to know your neighbors, and just enjoy each other's company. Did you have fun?
I had fun, but kiddo, these two are freezing. That probably doesn't count.
That was fun.
All right, you guys, we made it home. I got a jacket on. It is like crazy cold for June. I mean, it's 56 degrees, which isn't like crazy, but when it's 56 degrees, super dark and cloudy and windy, it is cold. So made it home, got some jackets, and now me and the two older boys are headed to the grocery store. I have a family reunion on Saturday, and I have been put in charge of some kids activities. So I have decided to make some edible Play-Doh, for a bunch of it for the kids. And it is so quick, so easy, only 2 ingredients, and we're gonna show you how we make it. Alrighty, how were those dance moves? Did you guys have fun at the store? If you did not pick up on the 2 ingredients we bought, they are whipped frosting and powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. That is it, you guys. Those are the only 2 ingredients. I'm also gonna add some food coloring just to add a little variety, have a few different colors of Play-Doh, but that's it. That's how easy it is. So we are going to get working. We gotta work quick though, because you guys need to go to bed, huh?
Work, Sinora, work your body line. Work, Sinora, work it all the time.
What?
Work, Sinora,
So for 1 batch of the Play-Doh, it is 1 cup of whipped frosting and then 2 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. So you pretty much just mix those together in a bowl, stir it until you can't anymore, and then get your hands in there and start kneading it until it is Play-Doh consistency.
That is very difficult.
It's a very hard recipe.
If you're not a very experienced chef, I would not recommend this because it's very hard. Do you guys think you can do this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think I could food color. It's impossible.
It's impossible?
I think I could food color.
You think you can do it? You can eat a marshmallow? Yeah.
I can actually do this myself. Me too.
You could do it yourself?
But Mom has to tell me what to do. I could do it by myself. That's the food coloring.
Oh yeah.
The food coloring.
Food coloring.
I could do the food coloring. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
And as you can guess, it's probably pretty tasty because it's practically frosting with extra sugar.
Just sugar.
Yeah, but you don't want to play with it a lot.
And then eat it. That's gross, huh?
Yeah, the Play-Doh. And the other one could be better. Oh, I think.
Get it real good, babe.
Smells like I'm making a yummy dessert, and I'm not.
What are you talking about? This is a very good dessert.
It smells good. I can't smell it. Oh, it smells like frosting.
Yes, it is.
Yo.
Doughy.
This is like therapeutic. Get out some aggression.
I think this one should be red.
You want it red?
Red's a good color of Play-Doh.
More frosting.
One big clump. Red.
I'm going to divide it into 4 equal little balls to do 4 different colors.
Ooh,
And we
smart.
have a lot of kids in the family, so I've got to make a lot of this.
Candy likes edible Play-Doh. She like eat edible Play. So do I. Red, yes. Mom, I want the other one. That's gonna get measured. I want yellow.
You? That will be cool.
I want
Yeah. Hold on, I'm just a shorter hands.
That's cool, guys.
It's like marbles right now.
Sweet. edible Play-Doh.
2 ingredients, like how quick and easy is that? This is almost like tie-dyed looking.
Pretty awesome.
I don't know if I should keep mixing it because it looks kind of cool. One color.
Yeah. It is edible.
It's a good song, Canyon.
This is Play-Doh. Oh, that's looking better.
Let's get in there.
Oh, this might turn pink.
Yeah. This is like a super good consistency too. And it's not messy and it's not like sticky or wet. So it's not like slime where it can ruin your carpet or clothing. If anything, it'll just dry and harden and fall off.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So I'm already a fan of this. Okay guys,
This might look like
we got our first color pretty much.
That one's yours. You can play with it, okay? Cool. Blue. Blue for Carceru.
Yeah, try not to touch it. Try to just like float the dry Play-Doh over the wet dye. However, you can wash it out. Pretty dry and fast.
This was cool. I want to eat this right now. Let's lick it. That tastes just like frosting. Oh, that's turning into a Smurf.
Last color.
That's
Pretty cool.
that can be yours. I have 2 then. It doesn't really matter because you're gonna have 1,000 of this on
You guys, are these super cool? What? That is so cool, guys. So fun.
Alrighty, and there you go, guys. That was seriously so quick, so easy, and I don't know how like much more simple with just 2 ingredients. Highly recommend this recipe if you haven't tried it before. I would say though, tweak the amount of frosting and powdered sugar. I did a cup of frosting and then I did 2 cups of powdered sugar, even though I heard 2 3/4 cup powdered sugar, but it was still a little too wet and sticky. So we added a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and then we had to actually add a little bit more frosting just to get the right consistency. So play around with it. If it's still a little too sticky, add some more powdered sugar. If it is too thick, add some more frosting. But I am excited. I think that all of my cousin's kids are going to love this. My kids love it so far. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We are actually just in the process of getting the kids to bed right now. Cody's getting their pajamas put on them. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with us each and every day. We love you guys so much. We hope you're having an awesome summer. We hope you're making some memories. If you try this recipe and you post about it on Instagram or something, please tag us because I would love to see other people trying it. Thank you guys again, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
My family's family. That sounds so weird. Wait.
Says yeah because that is watching Transylvania.
We were watching Transylvania.
I want to
Take
get my
that
hands
ring
in.
off.
Mom, can I get my hands in?
No, honey.
Wait, can I just...
No, baby, not till we're done. So I had him we added 2/3. No.
We'll see.
What? What?